In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a vendor report in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the report that lists every bill, expense, and payment by vendor so you can review spending, reconcile accounts, and answer vendor questions with confidence. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing into your company. Make sure you're in the correct company file if you manage more than one. From the main dashboard, head to the Reports area. You'll find it in the left-hand navigation. This is your hub for all standard reports in QuickBooks Online, organized by category to make things easier to locate. Once you're in Reports, scroll down until you see the section labeled Expenses and Vendors. This is where QuickBooks groups the reports that help you analyze spending and vendor activity. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of the page and type Vendor to jump straight to the options in this category. Next, select Transaction List by Vendor. This report is designed to show each individual transaction, like bills, expenses, checks, bill payments, and credits, grouped under the vendor they belong to. It's perfect when you need the detail behind totals or want to verify what's been recorded for a specific supplier during a period. Before you dive into the results, set your date range. Use the date filters at the top to choose the period you want to analyze, such as this month, last month, this quarter, or a custom start and end date. Picking the right range ensures you're looking at the relevant accounting period, whether you're reviewing current activity, closing out a month, or preparing for year end. To refine the report further, click Customize. The customization panel lets you tailor what appears on the screen. You can choose which columns to display, filter by vendor, transaction type, or account, and narrow the report to only the items you need to examine. If it's important for your workflow, you can also adjust the accounting method to cash or accrual so the report aligns with your books. Take a moment to review these options. Clean, focused filters make the report faster to read and easier to share with your team. That's it. You've opened QuickBooks Online, navigated to Reports, found the Expenses and Vendors section, selected Transaction List by Vendor, set your date range, and customized the view so it shows exactly what matters. With this setup, you'll have a clear, reliable picture of your vendor activity whenever you need it.